Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle that's earned its stripes over the years, the Honda Hornet 600. Key features: performance. This bike straddles the line between beginner-friendly and offering enough punch for experienced riders. Let's break it down. Under the hood, or should I say, tank, sits a detuned version of Honda's legendary CBR 600 engine. That means a smooth, four-cylinder power plant that delivers a satisfying amount of thrust without being intimidating. It's not a fire-breathing beast, but it'll get you where you need to go with a satisfying growl. Technically, it's a carbureted engine on older models, meaning you might miss the convenience of fuel injection on newer bikes. But for some riders, that simplicity translates to easier maintenance. Handling design. Now, the Hornet's a naked bike, which means it ditches the fairings of a sports bike for a lighter, more exposed look. This translates to nimble handling, perfect for weaving through city traffic or carving up twisty back roads. The riding position is upright and comfortable, unlike some aggressive sport bikes that hunch you over. It's a great choice for longer rides without feeling cramped. Speaking of design, the Hornet's got a timeless, muscular look. It's not overloaded with flashy features, but it definitely exudes a cool, confident vibe. Unique selling points: target audience. One of the Hornet's biggest strengths is its legendary Honda reliability. These bikes are known to take a beating and keep on running. They're also relatively inexpensive to maintain, making them a budget-conscious choice. So, who's this bike ideal for? New riders looking for a forgiving yet exciting first bike. Experienced riders who want a nimble and reliable commuter or weekend ride. Anyone who appreciates a motorcycle that prioritizes fun and functionality over outright power. Wrap up. The Honda Hornet 600 might not be the flashiest motorcycle out there, but it's a well-rounded package that punches above its weight. It's reliable, fun to ride, and offers a great balance of performance and comfort. Call to action. If you're looking for a versatile and rewarding motorcycle experience, the Honda Hornet 600 is definitely worth considering. As always, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what bike you'd like to see reviewed next. Ultra.